So I decided to give Jamaican soca parties one more chance, and here I am at I Love Soca Jamaica.
Ready for the vibe? If they play one dancehall, a problem.
So I got my I Heart Soca cup, which will be my memorabilia for next year. The setup was beautiful, everything the vibes was nice. As you can see me there, dance band people, woman. Don't know, we're 90s kids at heart, so we have to sing out this one real nice and loud. Don't know, me did have to sing the one out loud, but now them part the crowd in half and then the madness start. Watch it. People are running through the crowd like madness. Me have to jump into because why not? Why not? No, people, when I tell you, say no, man, my body just take over at this point. Like, I don't know what I am doing right here. I am just jumping and moving my hands up in the sky. And then when we take a stock on the footage, who this me see a dance behind me? No, it's West. No, West that. Wanna tag him in the comments, no, please, because I peer vibes that night. Peer vibes. Jump. Yeah. Yeah. Now it is time to bring on Kes, the band, the moment I have been waiting for.
Here we go!
So while we were there partying, this happened. It started to rain.
Finally a soca party in Jamaica that hardly play dancehall. Majority of the night I be a soca them play. Woo! Alright. I love soca. You live up to the hype. Yeah, you go on good. Yeah man, next year again. I'm a first time I love soca next year again. We'll be definitely coming back. Definitely. Best week ever next year, man, by our season band. I'm going to check out all our events then, but well done! We lose our voice! That screamed too much. Kes was friggin' amazing, man. Kes the band was the highlight, and then when they finish the show, rain did fall. That rain just start fall right when they finish the show. It's amazing. Amazing. Love it.